Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and consumer products. Today, we're diving into the world of solar companies and discussing ADT Solar, CNET's highest-rated solar provider. ADT Solar offers top-notch solar installations with a price match guarantee and impressive 25-year warranties. They install panels from well-known brands like Qcells, Silfab, and Canadian Solar, with efficiency ratings of up to 22.8%. When it comes to batteries, ADT Solar offers the Tesla Powerwall and Enphase's IQ batteries. Both options are reliable and can be expanded if needed. Additionally, ADT uses Enphase microinverters for panel-level monitoring and increased energy efficiency. Their Enphase app allows customers to monitor system performance and optimize energy usage. While ADT doesn't disclose average prices, their price match guarantee ensures competitive pricing. Financing options are available for those looking to explore more affordable ways to go solar. In conclusion, ADT Solar is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and reputable solar installer. Their high-quality products, extended warranties, and a plus rating from the Better Business Bureau make them stand out among major solar providers. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews. As always, be sure to do your own research and consider local installers to find the best fit for your solar needs. See you next time.